Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if your O-General has split AC and there is sound of air cutting in that AC and your AC is not doing proper cooling, in today's video I will tell you the solution of this problem if you are a technician. So this video is very helpful for you, and if you are a customer then you can also fix this problem and you can fix your AC very easily. So let's start the video. Can hear air cutting sound in AC. Proper air is not coming from the front of the AC, and I can feel less air with my hand causing AC cooling problem. AC's filter net is completely clean but still air is not coming properly from AC. So friends, I will tell you what you have to process next. Now first of all lock the gas of your AC. Switch on the AC before locking the gas, and after the outdoor unit is on. Start locking the gas, but keep in mind whether there is gas in the AC or not. Check it properly. And with the help of screwdriver open the outdoor side cover. Now open both the nuts on the side of the outdoor unit. Now tighten the thin discharge pipe with number 5 Allen key. Now after 1 minute you tighten the suction pipe with a number 5 Allen key thick. Now turn off the AC from the main switch. Open the hole on the back of the indoor unit. Now before taking down the indoor unit, open the indoor union of the back side with the help of 2-piece sly range tools. After that, straighten the pipe with light hand so that the indoor unit can come out easily. Now open all the screws of the indoor unit so that the supply wire of indoor unit and outdoor unit is open. And take out the front cover of the indoor. And now take down the indoor unit. Now take out the swing flap with light hands. Keep in mind that the swing flap is very delicate. Now separate the swing motor attached to the drain assembly by opening it. Now open the whole set of PCB. Now separate the fan motor and swing motor connectors from the PCB by opening them. Now by opening the earthing wire from the PCB, take the PCB apart. Now open both the screws on one side of the cooling coil. Now open the side cover at the back of the indoor unit. Now also open the screw on the other side of the cooling coil. Remove the lock of the cooling coil with the help of a screwdriver and separate the cooling coil from the body. You can see the blower. There is a lot of dust in the blower, due to which the AC is not able to do proper cooling, and the electricity bill also starts coming very high, and the sound of air cutting also comes due to this dust. And now remove the blower by opening it, and also remove the fan motor by opening it. You can see all open parts of AC. If the motor is not separating from the blower due to rust in the soft part of the motor, then you should cover the motor properly with polythene so that water does not enter the motor. Now start cleaning the blower. You can see that there is a lot of garbage and dust in the blower. It is very important to clean it with pressure. Without pressure, the proper is not clean. If you clean the blower, then believe me, the flow of your AC will be completely new and your AC will start cooling the room quickly. Before washing the cooling coil with a jet pump, pack the pipe of the cooling coil with tape or put a plastic nut so that water does not enter the pipe. Now we clean the cooling coil. You should note that the pressure of the jet pump is very high. More pressure can damage the cooling coil, so clean it by reducing the pressure a little. The air throw in AC is less, and the air comes less, and the sound of air cutting comes. Then you clean the AC like this. Believe me, your AC will work like new, and the electricity bill will also be very less. Air throw will also be enough. The garbage will increase. It is trapped inside. This garbage will come out from the pressure of the jet pump. Cooling coil looks like new after cleaning. Do not work in haste, do it slowly. When you are satisfied that the cooling coil is clean, only then wash the other parts. Cooling coil is a very important part of the indoor unit, so keep cleaning it until all the debris is removed. Now the cooling coil is thoroughly clean. All parts of AC are cleaned with the pressure of jet pump. And now wash all the parts by rubbing them with surf water. After washing all the items, you leave the item like this for a while until the water comes out, or dry it with the help of a blower. After that you wipe it thoroughly with a dry cotton cloth. Fits everything back. Now after this we put the blower and motor. Tighten the fan motor cover as well. Install the cooling coil and fix all its screws. Tighten the swing motor as well. After that, by fitting the PCB, also connect the connector of the fan motor. Also attach the back cover of the indoor unit. After that, carefully fix the swing flap as well. Taping all the pipes together so that the indoor unit can be easily mounted on the wall. After that, put the front cover on as well. And put all the screws. And also tighten the supply wire of the outdoor unit. After that, put the filter net and close the cover. Now tighten the pipe of indoor unit by applying Teflon tape. Now open the thin pipe with Allenby tools and check the leakage with the help of surf and sponge. If there is no leakage in your AC, then open the gas completely and fit the nut and cover of the outdoor unit. Now you start cleaning the outdoor unit. It is very important to clean the outdoor unit. In a hurry, we forget to clean the outdoor unit. But cleaning the AC's outdoor unit increases the chilling in AC. Just as it is necessary to clean the indoor unit, it is very important to clean the outdoor unit as well. You should note that the fan motor is attached in front of the AC outdoor. Water getting into the fan motor can damage the motor. You clean the outdoor unit carefully. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.